Important sign of Hodgkin's disease. Red Steinberg cell in the lymph. Crackling sound bilaterally at the bases of lungs. Answer is rales. Which blood group can be transferred in newborn? Answer is Rh negative blood of same group of baby and O negative. Oligohydramnios is related to the following condition and the answer is renal agenesis. Preoperative preparation of appendectomy include consent taking, skin preparation, remove the jewelries except enema stat. Quantitative research is a process in which evaluate the theories and hypothesis is done. Most common cause of abortion in first trimester is chromosomal abnormality. VDRL is screening test for syphilis. Cause of tubal pregnancy include first is contraceptive failure, tubal pregnancy history or tubal surgery, and the third answer is pelvic inflammatory disease. Early sign of renal carcinoma is hematuria. Which of the following condition can decrease oxygen demand on the heart? Answer is treatment with diltiazem. Neonatal tetanus can be prevented by clean surface of delivery, clean hands of the attendant who is conducting the delivery, and clean cord tie. Sheldon classification of personality includes ectomorphs, endomorphs, and mesomorphs. Characteristics of neonatal aphaxia is hypoxia, hypoperfusion, and acidosis. Neonatal with retrolental fibroplasia is associated with hypoxemia. Now, flag sign is characteristic features of kwashiorkor. Now, what is flag sign? Flag sign is nothing but a change in hair color, in which hair becomes discolored in the band perpendicular to its long axis. This indicates a period of severe malnutrition. During tonic-clonic seizures, priority nursing intervention is maintain patent airway. Then which position is used to assess inguinal hernia, that is sit down and bear down position. Now typical type of plate in the toddler. Now you can remember this by SPICA. The short form is SPICA. So S stands for solitary play. It is played between the age of 0, that is infant, to 1 year. P for parallel play, 1 to 3 years, that is toddler. I for imaginary play, that is 3 to 6 years, that is preschooler. C is cooperative play, that is for schooler, age 6 to 12 years. And A stands for athletic play, that is more than 12 years. So the answer is for toddler, it is parallel play. Sequence of taking vital signs in a newborn infant is first is respiration, then pulse, then temperature. A false unshakable belief, it is known as delusion. A patient with adequate speech amount but provides little information, that patient is suffering from poverty of idea. Physiology anemia during pregnancy is a result of increased blood volume. Now medical treatment for coronary artery disease, which procedure is done, that is oral medication administration. Warm, dry skin, pink skin is seen in neurogenic shock. One of the major complications due to mumps in the male is sterility. Which serotype of dengue virus is more dangerous, that is type 2. Which ethical principle promotes self-determination by the client? Autonomy. Accumulation of the lead in the body may cause weakening of nerves. Priority for a patient diagnosis with pneumonia, the priority is impaired gas exchange. Which sign and symptoms will be present in the patient with hypovolemia? Answer is increased heart rate. The volume of amniotic fluid at term is 600 to 800. 12 weeks it is 50 ml, 20 weeks 400 ml, 36 weeks 1 liter, that is 1000 ml, and term, that is 38 to 40 weeks, that is 600 to 800 ml. Identity versus role confusion is the task of which state of development according to Erikson theory? Answer is adolescent. Child is on IV fluid therapy. Which among the following suggests fluid overload worsening dyspnea? Softening of cervix during pregnancy is known Gödel's signs. Other various signs. The first is Chadwick sign. It is also known as Jacquemer sign. It is characteristic of a violet or dark blue tone of the vaginal mucosa and cervix. And the Osiander sign, vaginal pulsation that mirrors the maternal heart rate as an early sign of pregnancy. An unconscious child, if it is come with dehydration, what the nurse will do first, that is start IV infusion of RL. If the child is conscious, then you will give oral ORS. Imaginary perception are called hallucination. McDonald suturing is done in recurrent abortion. I hope this question and answers helps you. If you like this, please do comment like so I can make more such videos. These are all questions which I have taken from the students which have gone through various examinations, which I have written. I am sharing with you. So please tell me, is it helpful, so I can make more questions and answers for you. Thank you.